We have the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, so when this guys first got announced I thought it looked relatively ugly, to be perfectly honest, but it has grown on me a little bit. But let's go ahead. So Samsung has ditched the Watch Classic lineup for 2022, and instead just supersized the regular Galaxy Watch design. It's been 2 weeks, and after some time Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro titanium build started getting small scratches, but this didn't include intensive testing, just a normal day-to-day usage. I think titanium build gets scratches really quickly, which is not a good thing, but this new sapphire glass is really good. This is designed to be more rugged. There is a lip around the edges of the brand new sapphire glass screen, while the side buttons protrude a little bit further outwards, making them slightly easy to press. According to recent testing, if you use your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with GPS enable and sleep tracking enable, it can last 2 full days, and if you turn off it can even last more than 4 days. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is running Wear OS, which is a Google collaboration. You will find that it's Samsung services which are slapped on here by default. So for instance, long press the bottom button here and you'll bring up Samsung Peer for all of your NFC contactless pyramid. Setting up the watch was very simple. After you turn on the watch, open the Galaxy Wearable application and add the device. The application will update the required firmware and ask the code for pairing the device. If you are moving from Galaxy Watch 4 series to Watch 5 series, you can restore the data from the previous watch. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro packs some amazing feature like having a GPX file or track pack feature to track your routes. When you lost, a sleep tracking feature is getting accurate by excluding the rotating bezel and including the new digital rotating feature, which is easy to use with a curved bezel on the Watch 5 Pro. And this 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display with 321 ppi pixel density is crisp and clear, which is expected at this price point. Out of the box we get some cool looking new watch faces as well. This watch running on oneui 4.5 based on Weight OS 3.5 out of the box, and comes with loads of smart and health-centric features. You get a digital dial, so the dial functionality is still there, but it is a digital dial as opposed to a physical dial. But with that being said, the digital dial is not that bad. The haptic feedback is surprisingly good. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.